Hello everyone, have you ever heard the word scrumptious? If not, then stay with us to know what does it mean. Scrumptious is an adjective that is used to describe food, which is extremely tasty and delicious. It implies a level of delight and pleasure in the eating experience. When something is described as scrumptious, it is not only good to taste, but also inviting and appealing. Let's use scrumptious in some sentences. Example number 1. The bakery around the corner makes the most scrumptious pastries. Example number 2. We had a scrumptious dinner at the new Italian restaurant. These were the examples of scrumptious. So, this video has added a new word to your knowledge. So next time you taste something which is truly delightful or tasty, then don't just say it's good, say it is scrumptious. Do subscribe the channel for more updates.